In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a customer in QuickBooks. Quick note before we begin. In QuickBooks, you can't permanently delete a customer. Instead, you make the customer inactive. This is by design, and it's actually helpful. Marking a customer inactive cleans up your active customer list and keeps them out of most reports, while still preserving all their historical data, like invoices and payments for accurate records and audit trails. So you get a tidier workspace without breaking links to past transactions. Here's how to do it, step by step. Start at the top of your QuickBooks screen and click into the search bar. Type Customers. In the results, select the Customers option to open your customer list. If you have a lot of records, this is the quickest way to get exactly where you need to be. Give the page a second to load if your list is long. Once you're on the customer list, find the customer you want to make inactive. Take a moment to ensure you've got the correct one. Check the name carefully, and if needed, glance at any details shown in the row to confirm you're targeting the right profile. It's always better to double check here so you don't hide the wrong customer by mistake, especially if names are similar. On the far right side of that customer's row, look for the small drop-down menu. It might appear as a down arrow or 3 dots, depending on your view. Click that to reveal the available actions. From that drop-down, select Make Inactive. QuickBooks may show you a confirmation prompt explaining what inactivating means. Go ahead and confirm. That's all there is to it. After you make the customer inactive, they'll disappear from your active customer list and won't clutter up your day-to-day screens. Their past transactions remain intact and your financial reports stay accurate. Most standard reports won't list inactive customers unless you specifically choose to include them, which keeps your reporting focused on current work. If you're cleaning up duplicates or retiring old accounts, this approach helps you stay organized without losing any historical context. A few quick tips as you finish up. If you don't immediately see the change, refresh your browser or navigate back to the list to update the view. If you work in a multi-user environment, make sure you have the necessary permissions to manage customers. And remember, making a customer inactive isn't permanent. You can reverse it later if your business needs change. That's it. You've successfully cleaned up your customer list by making an old or unused customer inactive in QuickBooks.